You don't need more income to start, just need a better system. Even if it's small, start, because time builds wealth. Start. And the best time to start was years ago. The second best time, it is right now. So here's the truth nobody admits. Most people earn money more every year, but nothing changes. They got raises, they work hard, and maybe they even start a side hustle, and yet, at the end of the month, there is still nothing left. The bank account looks the same, the stress feels the same, and they have no idea why. So I'm going to show you why. And more importantly, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that actually fixes it. A strategy almost nobody talks about. So stay with me, because this could completely change how you think about money. What does everyone tell you? Earn more, spend less, and save what is left. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Almost nobody who follows that advice becomes wealthy. And that is the truth. And the reason is something called lifestyle creep. The moment you earn more, your expenses also grow. A better apartment, a nicer lifestyle, more spending. It happens so slowly, so quietly, until one day you are earning more than ever, but still saving nothing. And that is the cycle. You earn, you spend, and you repeat. That's the trap. And most people stay in it in their entire lives. But there is a way out, and it starts with a different system. I want you to imagine this. Every dollar you earn goes into one of 4 buckets. Bucket 1, the income bucket. That is everything that is coming in. Your job, your business, your side hustles, all that money comes into the first bucket, the income bucket. And bucket 2, expenses. That is everything going out. Bills, food, rent, lifestyle, all that. And bucket 3, assets. So this is the most important one. Bucket 3. Assets are the things that make you more money, even if you are not working. Investments, savings, anything that grows. And bucket 4, liabilities. These are the things that take money out from you. That is like debts, loans, unnecessary expenses. Now, here is what most people do. They take their income and send it straight to expenses and liabilities. And if anything is left, maybe it goes to assets. But wealth people do the opposite. They take their income and pay themselves first. They send money to the asset first, then live on what is left. Now you might be thinking, I don't have money to invest. Stay with me, because this is where it gets practical. And here's the simple system you can start today. The 70-20-10 rule. 70% of your income goes to expenses, and everything must fit inside that 7%. And 20% goes to the assets, and this should be the first. This should come first before anything else. And 10% goes to eliminating debts. Let's make it real. If you earn $1,000 per month, $700 covers your life, $200 into assets, and $100 goes towards debt. Now here's where it gets powerful. That $200 investment, when invested consistently, can change your life over time. It grows and it grows and it grows bigger and bigger. And that's how wealth is actually built. Not by working harder, but by making your money work for you. Now the next question is, where do you actually put the 20%? If you're just starting, keep it simple. Step 1, build an emergency fund. Save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. And then step 2, start investing in simple assets like index funds, and this grows steadily over time, okay? And step 3, stay consistent. And that's the secret. Not complexity, consistency. And this is the mindset shift that changes everything. Most people ask, what can I afford? Wealth people asks, how much of this can I put to work? That's one question and changes everything. You don't need more income to start, just need a better system. Even if it's small, start, because time builds wealth. Start. And the best time to start was years ago. The second best time, it is right now. So here is one action step before your next paycheck. Calculate 20% of your income and move that money into assets. Into assets first, before anything else. Before debts, before liabilities, all that. Do that once and you're already broken the cycle. If this change how you see money, subscribe to Smart Wealth, because I'll be breaking down real strategies like this every week. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. I'll see you in the next video.